Hello, are you recording? Let me see if I can tip this way. Oh, guess what I am? Yes, I'm lying in a hammock. And I have a screen tent around me, so the bugs can't get me. We don't have so many bugs anymore because it's August. Summer is passing. I think our fall, autumn starts in August, middle of August. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to make this little video instead of uploading another one. I wanted to make this one first. And it's 1:14 p.m. on the 16th of August. And I wanted to show you what I'm looking at. Sorry, my legs were struck by hammock. What do you think? Pretty beautiful, eh? I love being in here. Oh, that's where that house chair over there. Oh, I should move it. Of course, I haven't used it for years. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm going to start uploading videos. Our internet's having a problem. I hope it uploads this one. And go through and see if I can find your comments and answer them. I'm looking at the words, you raised me up. We were at David Gilbraith's house in White Lake the other day, and he sang it for us. He has such a beautiful voice. I bought his CD, David Gilbraith. Galbraith. Might be under arm prior. Anyway, so that's that. I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. Where's that clicking button? Okay, it's hovering. Well, you can do this at home. Put up a hammock in the woods. Put a screen tent over it. This tree is in here with me. It'd be nice to have a tree. Oh, gee, I didn't want to be here all alone. Okay, so let's see if I can put that button. Ready, set, click.